Hi there, this is just a quick overview of my DCS coordinates copier app. I've had a couple of videos showing it's kind of work in progress, but I finally got it to the point where it's no longer crashing for one, and it's actually working 99% of the time, which is great. It's currently only working for the F18. I'm sorry, it's the only plane I've got that I fly. So yeah, it was only going to work for that really until I get another one. And and basically what it's designed to do is allow you to speed up the process of copying map coordinates and then getting them actually punched into the waypoints on the plane. And the way it does that is a combination of Luftwaffe 01. He's taken the 3D Megitto shaders mod and created one for DCS, and I'm using that to then print out the information from the map on the screen, which I'm then using a screen capture with my app externally, and then I'm using OCR to parse out that screenshot and then get it into some planned key presses for putting into the UFC. And then with Joy to Key, I've then got that configured to work with my joystick, so it does all the key presses in the right order and things like that for capturing things. So yeah, let's have a quick demo of it working. Let me just try and get the sun the right way in the cockpit, and that'll make things easier to see on the UFC here. But let's start by jumping to the F10 map. So in fact, what I've actually done is I actually pre-plotted out a couple of options in the UFC, my waypoints here. So I've created a new waypoint, waypoint 5, and it's kind of ready and sitting waiting to have a new waypoint punched in. And what I can do is I can jump to the F10 map, and where are we? Finally I end up here. I can say, okay, I want a waypoint over here, and with a single key press on my joystick, that sounds there to help me understand, because remember, so I'm using this in VR, so I want to be able to understand that the app successfully captured that, and then basically it's using a regular expression. It's looking for this text, and it's using OCR. In fact, it's looking for this bit up here in the top left. It's taking a screenshot and then using OCR to try and work that out. So we can see here that it successfully got, okay, you're going to do 44, 47, 53, and it's changed that into key presses. So north 42, 47, 53, and then confirm, and then east, and then the altitude in feet, so it's altitude in F. So let's go back to our plane, and you can see 3D Megitto mod's actually great as it stands. What it's doing there is, or part of the function that I've actually used from that is, it's putting this wee map coordinates here right in my the middle of my HUD, or middle of my cockpit here, so I can easily reference it and type it in myself if I wanted. And to each their own. If you want to do that, that's absolutely fine. But with my application that I've created, I'm able to click on the UFC button here, go to the position, and again with a single press on my joystick, it starts battering on all those numbers, and there we go. Now we've got a new waypoint added. And then so to add another one is just like any normal waypoint adding. So waypoint 5, enter, 6, enter. So now we've got a new 6 one. We move up to position 6. It's blank. Let's go to the F10 map. Let's choose a point over here towards the coast. Single press of a single key on the joystick. You see here on the desktop that it's managed to get all the information correctly, but again that audio is just letting me know in VR that it's managed to work correctly. And if I jump over to UFC position, and we're on position 6, blah blah blah, that's all correct. And again, single pre-press, just paste. There it goes, it powers it in. So you can see here that I'm able to, let's move the throttle up here. You can see here that I'm able to jump between the F10 map, use a roller wall mouse if you see so fit in VR, choose a point where I want my waypoint, press copy, and that's it, kind of ready for whenever I want to paste it in. So say I want to change position 6 here, let's just go to the UFC, this is rattling away, throw the thruster runner, go to position 6, click on position, UFC, position, perfect, and then paste. Perfect. So something I think I might do is get it to read the numbers out to me when I choose something here, because at the moment I don't think it's actually ever failed on me to get it not as I expect. So let's have another check here with this number. So what we've got, 415304, 415304. Yeah, it's coming out correctly, which I'm always surprised about. I don't know why, I've just got a massive distrust from OCR using scanners back in the day, but when it's a nice predictable text in a predictable location, it seems to work really well. Yeah, so we can quickly batter things in, and it's just 1 or 2 key presses with the mouse, and that works really well for me. And yeah, I'm actually surprised that I managed to get it working so well. Again, I'm still really not really planning on releasing this. It's such a Rube Goldberg machine of a combination of 3D Magitos mod with a custom shader to get the map locations out, with Joy2Key running, with a third-party app, with specific keybinds bound. It's just not something I'll probably develop any further, but I thought it'd be fun to show people and encourage someone to maybe look at taking this kind of idea further. Anyway, thanks for looking. All the best. Bye.